In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart diagram using ChatGPT. I will open my ChatGPT like this. Then I will type the following. Give me a mermaid code of information system. Then I'll add flowchart. From there I'll have to send it like that, send this message. Then I'll wait for ChatGPT to generate this code here. We call it mermaid code. So I will have to copy this mermaid code, then open a new tab, and here is where I will type this draw.io. So I will come to this website, then click on draw.io. It will load and open. From here I'll go straight to File tab, then New. Then I'll have to rename my diagram and give it information system diagram. I'll use flow chart. Then I'll click on blank here, diagram. Then I'll create. It will load. Then it will take me here. Now from here you need to go to this button here. There's a drop down button here. You have to move to advanced, then move to mermaid. Here is where you need to click like that. Then I will delete this, then paste the mermaid code which I had copied from ChatGPT. Then I will insert like that. Then I'll wait for a moment. Then the flow chart diagram will be displayed.